Welcome to Best Choice. The best in fittings is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in any high-performance fluid transfer system, whether you're building a race car, a custom motorcycle, or a sophisticated industrial setup. These precision-engineered connectors are designed to provide a reliable, leak-free seal under extreme pressure and vibration, ensuring the integrity and safety of your fuel, oil, or brake lines. Choosing the right and fitting can significantly impact your project's performance, efficiency, and longevity, making it essential to understand their nuances before making a purchase. Number 5. EDEL Energy 6 and to ORB Fuel Rail Adapter Fitting. Introducing our premium fuel rail adapter, designed for reliable performance in your automotive fuel system. It ensures a secure and leak-free connection for your essential components. Featuring a precise 9/16 to 18 UNF thread size for both 6N and 6 ORB connections. This ensures a perfect fit for your fuel system needs. It utilizes a 37-degree angle for flare sealing on the N side and a robust O-ring for secure sealing on the ORB side. This dual sealing mechanism guarantees exceptional leak prevention. Crafted from a high-strength 6061 T6 aluminum alloy body and a durable NBR rubber O-ring. This construction ensures longevity and resistance to harsh conditions. It can withstand a working pressure of up to 1,500 psi and a working temperature range of -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 252 degrees Fahrenheit. The O-ring operates effectively between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 392 degrees Fahrenheit. This adapter is ideal for a wide range of applications, including fuel rails, oil coolers, fuel pumps, fuel pressure regulators, and fuel filters. It's a versatile solution for your fuel system upgrades. What we like. This fitting offers a robust dual sealing mechanism with both a 37-degree flare and an O-ring for superior leak prevention. Its high working pressure of 1,500 psi makes it ideal for demanding applications. If you need a reliable and secure connection for your fuel rail or oil cooler system, this is an excellent choice for its robust construction and dependable seal. What people say. These EDEL Energy fittings I purchased were exactly what I needed to finish the project. They were shipped well and come in reusable bags with the EE logo. The included O-ring is good quality, and when the fitting is assembled to the parts, they fit snug, which is what you want for a leak-free setup. The EDEL Energy 8 and Flare to 8 and ORB male fuel rail adapter fitting is a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable and aesthetically pleasing solution for their fuel rail connections. With its sleek black design and sturdy construction, this fitting offers both functionality and visual appeal. Installation is a breeze thanks to the specifically designed flare and ORB fittings, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. The threaded ends provide a tight seal, eliminating any potential fuel leaks and ensuring a safer experience for the user. Durability is another key feature of the EDEL Energy adapter fitting. Constructed from high-quality materials, it demonstrates resistance to corrosion and heat, ensuring its longevity and reliability even under demanding conditions. Number 4. 6 and 20-foot nylon stainless steel braided fuel line kit. Introducing our high-quality fuel line, designed for optimal performance in a variety of applications. It's the perfect choice for your oil, gas, and fuel systems. This versatile hose is engineered to fit most vehicles, including racing cars and motorcycles. It's the ideal upgrade for any automotive enthusiast. Crafted with a durable nylon and stainless steel braided exterior over CPE synthetic rubber, it offers enhanced flexibility and a sleek racing aesthetic. The fittings are made from strong, anodized aluminum. Engineered to withstand extreme temperatures from -100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures up to 500 psi. It also boasts excellent flame retardancy and corrosion resistance for your safety. This comprehensive kit includes a 20-foot fuel line and a variety of swivel hose ends for a perfect fit. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our guarantee against leaks. Exchange or return for free if any issues arise. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a 20-foot nylon braided CPE fuel line along with a variety of swivel hose ends for versatile routing. It boasts an impressive temperature range from -100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for extreme conditions. If you're building a custom fuel system for a racing vehicle or a marine application and need a complete, flexible, and high-performance solution, this kit offers great value and convenience. What people say. Easy to assemble. No leaks. Great quality. Works perfectly. Used it on an LS build I did. Very nice transmission lines, they worked perfectly. Number 3. SUPERFASTRACING 8 and to 6 and flare fitting reducer. Introducing the SUPERFASTRACING and flare fitting reducer. This adapter efficiently transitions from an 8 and female to a 6 and male connection. Crafted with precision using CNC machining from high-quality 6061 T6 aluminum, it ensures durability and a perfect fit. It features a black anodized finish, providing a sleek appearance and excellent resistance to corrosion. This fitting is designed to be suitable for a wide range of fluid applications. Enjoy the convenience of its removable and reusable design, making installation and adjustments hassle-free. What we like. This adapter allows you to seamlessly connect an -8 and line to a -6 and fitting, offering flexibility in your fluid transfer system. Its precision CNC machine from 6061 T6 aluminum for a perfect fit and features a durable, corrosion-resistant anodized finish. If you're adapting different sized and lines in your build and require a high-quality, aesthetically pleasing reducer, this is the component you need for a clean and functional setup. What people say. Great quality. Perfect fit. Lightweight, great finish. No leaks. Worked like a charm to fix my fuel rail. Hasn't leaked and is holding 60 psi of fuel pressure. Number 2. SYKRSS 6 and hose separator clamp. Introducing the SYKRSS 6 and hose separator clamp, designed for secure and organized mounting of your fuel, oil, brake, water, and gas lines. This essential accessory ensures a neat and professional finish for your projects. Crafted from durable aluminum, these clamps offer an environmentally friendly alternative to plastic. Installation is straightforward, requiring only basic tools for a perfect and secure setup. Improve the tightness and organization of multiple tubes with our hose separators. They keep your lines neat and tidy, making your engine bay or workspace more pleasing and efficient. These clamps are built for longevity and can be easily reused across various applications. They are ideal for fuel lines, oil hoses, brake lines, water pipes, and gas lines, offering strong compatibility. Choose from a range of sizes including 4N, 6N, 8N, and 10N. Available in both black and blue, you'll find the perfect fit and color for your specific needs. SYKRSS stands behind its products with excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues, our 24-hour mail service is here to assist you promptly. Please review specifications before ordering. What we like. These hose separators are designed to keep your fuel, oil, or brake lines neatly organized and prevent chafing, especially in tight spaces. Made from aluminum, they offer a durable and environmentally friendly alternative to plastic options. If you value a clean, professional-looking engine bay and want to ensure the longevity of your lines by keeping them separated and secure, these reusable clamps are a practical and eco-conscious solution. What people say. Gives a clean and tidy look to keep lines organized. Works perfectly on black nylon braid and 6 hose. Finish is nice and the little cap screw is actually polished stainless steel. Really dresses it up and looks much nicer than the zip ties I had on there before. Number 1. Russell EDEL 610025 Black 6 and Full Flow Hose End. Our team isn't just qualified, they're automotive enthusiasts who live and breathe performance. This passion drives their understanding of every engine component. From manifolds to fuel injection systems, you can be sure that our products are influenced by a deep-seated passion for performance. Every item we design is rigorously tested and approved by our engineers in real-world conditions using state-of-the-art equipment. We believe in the quality of American manufacturing. We are proud of our casting and manufacturing facilities, ensuring quality control. Our commitment to quality is recognized worldwide. Our facilities have earned the ISO 9001-2008 registration. What we like. This hose end is engineered for full flow, ensuring optimal fluid dynamics within your system. It's proudly manufactured in the USA, reflecting a commitment to quality control and supporting American workers. If you prioritize top-tier performance, reliability, and the assurance of products tested and approved by automotive enthusiasts and manufactured in a world-recognized ISO 9001:2008 certified facility, this is the premium choice for your build. What people say. They seal very well and have a nice finish to them. I used these to replace all of the fuel lines on my Nova, and after months of use I've had no leaks. Due to the nipple shape and better threads on the nut, these went together much easier with no bulging on the inside of the hose. Installation went much quicker with higher confidence that the connection won't leak. These fittings slide right on the hose and seal easily. Spend a few extra bucks on these fittings and save yourself a headache. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.